we're here at Basic Crochet. We are going to start with the very basics, and I like to try to go very slow. So the first thing we're going to go over is the back of your yarn spool, which looks like this on the yarn spool. So what we're looking at here, when you go to choose your yarn, I like to recommend that newbies start with a super bulky, and that's a size 6, which is how large the yarn is. And then you're going to be looking at this here, which is an 8mm crochet hook. This one is your knitting needles, but we are not knitting. So you need to get an 8mm or above crochet hook. And then this number here you want to pay attention to, because this is your lot number, 161110. You want to make sure if you're getting more than one round of yarn, you want them to be in the same lot, because that means that they were all colored with the same dyes. Next thing you're going to be looking at is your crochet hook. I recommend for newbies to get a crochet hook that has a very deep hook. And when you're looking at the crochet hooks, you'll be able to tell some of them aren't very deep and some are. I prefer the white plastic ones. They're cheap and they have a nice deep hook in there. This one is a 10mm N, and I like to use the 10mm N with the recommended 8mm or above. The other thing you can look for, which is really useful once you get your basics down, and it's called the Crochet Stitch Bible. This is an absolutely fabulous book, and I will be going over it in another video later. So those are your basics. Go to the yarn store, get your yarn, and I'll see you back here later.